A is autonomous consumption,
Hmm.
which represents the amount the person will consume, whether the income is zero, even when the income is zero.
Hmm.
But B represents marginal propensity to consume, which tells how much the person will consume when the income increases.
Hmm.
So it would be when the income increases delta I times due to investment increase in the country, the
Hmm.
consumption would increase by MPC multiplied by the amount of investment induced in the income. So it will be B into delta I.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Himansu? Himansu?
Yes,
Himansu
sir.
Chand,
Yes, sir.
what should be the next stage after
Sir,
increase in C?
increase in aggregate demand.
Aggregate demand, good. Increase in aggregate demand, how much?
So B delta I.
B delta I. And then, as per Keynes, since AD increase, then income will increase, and what should be the amount? B into delta I. Am I right, everyone? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what should be third round? Pavitra Singla.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what should be the third round? What I can write?
So as in the consequence, the second round.
क्या स्विमिंग कर रहे हो क्या?
No, sir. Um, so I think the new investment which has been increased would be spent on further production.
क्या कर रहे हो घर में यार?
Nothing, sir.
Why nothing? Why not doing something, yaar? Hmm? Same way, yeah.
Maybe like with increase of income, we will have B square delta I because now the income will increase further.
Hmm. Just think, this round will continue in the same way. See, in the second round, we have seen that in the first round, when you invested delta I amount, your income increased delta I amount first round. But due to increase in income, its impact you can see on consumptions. That is the second round impact. Consumption increased, aggregate demand increased, again your income increased. But this time your increase in income is what? B into delta I times. Since it is a fact that yes, second round also some part of income again increased. It's true that. Again it is going to affect your consumptions. So in third round, again your consumption will increase. But your consumption increase, what is the time? What should be the amount? Income
B
increase
squared.
B into delta I. B into delta I is the now amount of income. This is your amount of income. But your consumption increase MPC times of this means B into delta I. It means it should be BA square delta I. Check everyone. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Reshma KMC. Resma KMC,
Yes, yes, sir.
is it true or not? Just I written B square into delta I. Is it right or wrong? B square into delta I have written it is wrong or right here? Reshma, I am asking you. You are writing in WhatsApp or chat group. My mic is not working. Reshma?
Yes, sir.
Acha, you are writing my mic is not working. Tell me the answer. What I've written is right or wrong? It's not good, Resma. Rohit Mittal. Rohit Mittal. Tell me, is it true or it's wrong? क्या हो रहा है सबको? सुहानी श्रीवास्तव,
यस सर।
सही है या गलत है?
सर सही है।
Why?
सर क्योंकि मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट चल रहा है सर, एमपीसी है तो मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी में जितना इंक्रीज होगा उसको हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट से, और हमारा यहाँ पे टोटल कंजम्पशन बी डेल्टा आई थी सेकेंड राउंड में, तो इसलिए हमने बी से मल्टीप्लाई करा है सर, तो वो बी
See,
स्क्वायर हो गया।
all of you, please check. Count this delta I is your investment, but this delta I is the amount of increase in your income. Symbol is same. Concept has changed. Here, this delta I is your amount of investment, but here delta I becomes the increase in your income. It is the amount, and that increase in income you have taken as a B into delta I as the income. Again, B into delta I is the total becomes the income. So consumption increase B into this much of income means B square into delta I. So it means कि next round your aggregate demand will increase B square delta I amount B square delta I amount, and then increase in your income again by B square into delta I amount. Delta I amount. Is it clear to all of you or not?
Clear, sir.
Clear, fine. And this round, this way it will continue in the country. Fourth round, fifth round, it's continue. Infinitely, it's continue. Okay. So now we are calculating. So total first round increase in your, just, is it clear? It's a continue infinitely, basically. So first round, your income increase delta I amount. Second round, your income increase B into delta I amount. Third round, your income increase B square delta I amount. And in this way, it's continue infinitely. It's continue. And you add it, then total increase in income will be this. Total increase in your income will be delta Y. Okay. Delta Y equal to delta I plus B into delta I plus B square into delta I plus dot 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 this. Okay. Now, if you take this delta Y, my total increase in income is delta Y, and you take the delta I as a common factor, so you can get 1 plus B square plus dot 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 dot. dollar you are getting. So what you are getting? So total increase in your income. What is the sum of this? It is a GP series. You are knowing that? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the sum of this should be 1 upon 1 minus B, and its delta you can write it here. And this 1 upon 1 minus B is known as investment multiplier, where B is equal to your MPC, propensity to consume. So this way economy works. It means if you are investing in the country delta I amount, then your total increase in your income will be investment multiplier times. Okay. So what you're getting it where, if suppose your B value is 0.8 in one country, another country you take B equal to 0.5. Suppose two different country you take. Both the country you are investing say 1,000 crore more. 1,000 crore you are investing in both the country. Check how much it will increase in country 1 and how much it will increase in country 2. Tell me everyone. Please calculate, tell me how much increase in income in the country 1, delta Y how much, and delta Y in country 2 how much. Please calculate.
Sir, country 1 it should be 5,000.
For country 2, it should be 2,000.
1,000, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you're getting? Here multiplier is 2, here multiplier is 5. Why it is so? Because marginal propensity to consume says that if any amount of your income increases, then what proportions of that income you are going to consume. Higher MPC represents if you increase in your income, then a larger proportion of your income you are going to consume. Okay, you are going to consume. If higher proportion you are consuming means similarly your aggregate demand will go up. And similarly your income will increase. Again your consumption will increase, aggregate demand will increase, income will increase. So overall increase in your income will be much larger. Okay. क्या हो रहा है यार? क्या? What's happening, dear? Again, someone has left this earth. Who is that? Oh, okay, okay, fine. So you are getting one more thing that if MPC in a particular country is more, it means a larger proportion of income they are spending on consumptions, and that leads to higher aggregate demand and higher income. So a continuous flow is there and much larger impact you can see in overall increase in your income. Okay, overall increase in your income. But if MPC is low, it means a larger proportion of income you are not spending on consumption. So the increase in aggregate demand will be relatively less and further increase in income will be relatively less. If you just check the multiplier, say I am saying K is the multiplier, which is equal to 1 upon 1 minus B. But you remember, I have discussed with you MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So 1 minus MPC is nothing but 1 upon MPS. So just try to K equal to 1 upon MPS. It means in any country, MPC is higher, your multiplier value will be lower. You are getting this? It means lower multiplier effect means whatever amount you are spending or investing, your income will increase relatively less. Just check. Here MPC is in country 2. What is the value of MPC, dear? MPS, sorry. MPS equal to
0.5, sir.
0.5,
Second.
0.5. And what's about here, MPS?
0.2.
0.2. So what you're getting here, just check here. Higher the MPS, lower the multiplier value, that is 2. Lower the MPS, higher the multiplier value, 5. Why increase in investments is less? Why increase in income is much more than the increase in investments? Why multiplier value is differ depending on MPC? Why higher MPC leads to more in multiplier value? This everything answer, all answer you can get it from here if you clear this concept. So remember, dear, for multiplier impact, the saving is known as the leakages of the country. This is the fact. Saving, we can say saving is the leakages in the country. Why leakages? A major portion of that, a major portion that you are is going to be leakages basically. Okay, because the moment you are saving, so saving here from here, saving it's going to decrease the aggregate demand through consumptions. Here through consumption, I am telling you. Okay. Check, dear. Clear, everyone? Anything you want to ask, please ask. All you are fine. Anyone has problem?
Sir, I wanted to know how to differentiate between the capital K and the investment multiplier K.
No. Capital K is the only way to represent the investor multiplier. But actually, the formula of investor multiplier is 1 upon 1 minus B. Okay, when you are always, you are not writing 1 upon 1 minus B. So one variable you have considered in place of that, you are writing K. So here K is only represent the multiplier, but actually the K value is 1 upon 1 minus B. That is 1 upon 1 minus MPC or 1 upon MPS. Clear or not?
Yes, sir, but won't we get confused between K for the capital and the K for investment multiplier?
No, if you read the books, you will get it. Where it can, because there is no when you are just talking about the multiplier, you are taking about the flow concept. That is your investing. So I will come, not the K. Okay. So while
Yes,
you are
sir,
reading,
got it.
when you are going to read, you will get it where you can get it, and where when you are getting is K is written here like in this format, it is the multiplier. And basically the way of writing in the different textbooks something different. There you can get proper K, capital K. Here more relatively you are getting the small K. Some difference you will get it.
Yes, sir. Now I got it. Thank you.
Okay, any other doubts, any other questions, please tell me. Okay, no issue. I will repeat it again. See, first round you check, you are in the, and how this first round, second round, third round, and overall all rounds. This concept basically you are trying to explain the result you got it in the graphical presentation in the previous class. What you have seen that if delta I amount of investment you invested or made you made this much amount you invested in the country. So due to that there is increase in your income. You got it. increase in your income was much more than increase in your investments. Fine. And that last day I discussed with you, dear, how much your income has increased. So it will increase as the multiplier times of investment. Okay. And that I put it K. K is a multiplier, and their value I discussed it's so 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So that equations, how the multiplier value will be 1 upon 1 minus MPC, that basically we derived it from here. If in the question they can ask you derive the investment multiplier, then you have to go in this way: first round, second round, third round, then you add like this. So if this concept is clear, means you are basically getting the how the investment is working in the country. So in the first round you check, suppose in the economy you made delta I amount of investments. So the moment you made the delta I amount of investments, so that same amount of the same amount of aggregate demand will go up. That is, aggregate demand for goods and services will increase. I discussed in the last class that investment means what? You are going to set up something. Maybe any producing unit, maybe any hospitals, maybe any colleges, maybe any plant. So suppose you are going for investment 10,000 crores, means 10,000 crores worth of goods and services you are going to demand in the country. So equivalent of aggregate demand will go up. That's happening in the first round. Delta I amount of aggregate demand has increased. Now at the Keynes theory, Keynes says that yes, how much aggregate demand will go up, accordingly your income will increase or production will increase. So if your delta I amount of aggregate demand has increased, then your income has also increased delta I amount. This is the first round impact. Since in the first round there is increase in delta I amount, so this increase in delta I amounts will increase the consumptions, because you're knowing consumption is the function of income. So your consumption will increase. But how much your consumption will increase? So think about the consumption function, which I written it C equal to A plus BY. You are knowing that. If B is your income, Y is your income, then B times of your income, your consumption will increase. If suppose delta Y amount of income is increased, then B times of delta Y income will increase. Consumption will increase. So your consumption will increase MPC times of your increase in your income. MPC times. Here MPC we assume it's B. So in the first round, when your delta I amount of income has increased, so your consumption has increased B into delta I times. B is the MPC, delta I here is the income, amount of income, that much has increased. So B into delta I amount of your consumption will go up. And this, as much as consumption increases, similar amount of your aggregate demand will again increase. So AD has increased B into delta I amount. Similarly, your income has increased B into delta I amount. Since the second round, your income increased B into delta I amount. So third round, again your consumption will go up. MPC times the increase in your income. So your income has increased B into delta I. MPC is B. So B into delta I means B square delta IS. So I written it, C will increase in third round, B square into delta I. Again, AD will increase B square into delta I. Income increase B square into delta I. And this round, this way, it works in the country infinitely. So if you add all the rounds, like round first round, second round, third round, so you are getting the, if you add it, then you are getting the total increase in your income. So delta Y is a total increase in income. This is the all round. Take out the delta I as a factor. So you will get 1 plus B square plus like this. It's a infinite GP series. Addition is 1 upon 1 minus B delta I. And 1 upon 1 minus B is the investment multiplier. Now, is it clear to all of you? Yeah. See? No, just shake. Just shake. In the first round, your Y increase. But how much Y increase? So delta I amount of your Y increased. Fine. So if your income increased delta I amount, here delta I is the amount of your income increased. And your consumption function is equal to A plus BY. So how much your income increased? MPC times if your income will increase your consumptions. So in place of Y, you can write delta I and B you can write B. It means your consumption will increase B into delta I amount. Okay, so it is the reason I've written the increase in C, and how much C will increase. So in bracket I've written the value B into delta I amount. This is the consumption function I discussed already earlier. No, A is the minimum. A is the minimum, no? Whether your income is there or not, that much you will consume. Even your Y is your income is 0, the A amount you can is a minimum amount. Now, if your A is minimum and when Y equal to 0, if now Y start increasing, so your consumption will accordingly increase as your MPC times. Suppose you take your example, suppose you are earning nothing. So there must be minimum consumption now. But as your income is started, so that much still you are consuming. But due to increase your income, you are going to increase your consumptions. But how much your consumption will increase due to increase your income? So it is your MPC times of your increase in your income. So you have taken B into delta I. Clear? You have to take only changed part. How much your income is changing or increasing, how much your consumption will increase. That part we are in matter here. Not the minimum amount what you're consuming, because you're relating the increase in your income to increase in your change in your consumptions. So this part will remain same now. This minimum is remain same, whatever level of income you have. And due to your income, in this much amount, you are adding more consumptions. Is it clear or not? Okay. Any other doubts? Okay, so now you are getting the relationship between the key when you are drawing a normal diagram, the aggregate demand and 45-day line. So any amount of increase in investments is going to increase your income much more than that. Due to what? Due to your multiplier effect. And since it is due to change in your income investment, so it is known as the investment multiplier. Clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
So everything is fine around you, dear? Jonath? Everything is fine there? Okay. No, we are just, we recovered and God saved us, and we are not face very severe conditions to reach to the hospital. Otherwise, condition is really very, very bad in the Delhi. People are not getting oxygens. People are not getting bad. People are not getting in the ICU. Even some medicines they are not getting, very essential one. And it is happening with our so many colleagues. Okay, now you are getting that message is coming in this front. Right
Yes,
now,
sir.
one message we got it, the Dr. P.K. Singh's son. Dr. P.K. Singh he was the professor in a chemistry department. He just lost, is no more today morning. And his son also infected and in very serious conditions. So finally, we are getting the message that they are managed to get hospital for admission. Okay, so he admitted in hospital now. So the family to family is just losing their members here. We are really very bad situations. Okay, and particularly Delhi is facing the problem only for the hospitals infrastructure. Okay, so all of you be at home and whatever things we are doing, but I promise you, if I'm not leaving this earth, so I will complete your syllabus. Okay, it's true that we are moving slow, but it's enough for you. You revise it several times from your textbook you have.